Hi, it's Amy with WTI. I have got to show you the most beautiful mirror I've ever seen.
This TokeShimi mirror with a medicine cabinet is one you absolutely want to check out. Here's what the bathroom looked like before, and here it is after. I am literally blown away by how beautiful this mirror is and how much larger the space feels. My favorite thing is that it lights up outside and inside. And there's a mirror not only on the inside of the cabinet, but on the back side of the doors. It was very well packaged, so I didn't have to worry about it breaking during shipment. There are two installation options. Surface mount, we chose the recess mount. The mirror is made of waterproof and moisture-proof aluminum alloy. This frame is thick and durable, and you don't have to worry about mold like a wooden mirror cabinet. I just love this design and the beveled edges. It's very classic and elegant. I can see this in any modern, simple, or luxury home decoration style. The storage space is really generous, and the glass shelves can be adjusted according to the size of the supplies. It'll give you that extra storage that takes all the essential clutter off of your countertop and it hides it out of sight. This product is equipped with 3 color lights. There's a stepless dimming and brightness and memory function. So if I set it on the warm light and dimmed, it's going to be exactly that when I turn it back on. The fog removal function is a feature that is incredibly useful and helps me save time and get on with my day. I thought this was really thoughtful too, that there are 2 built-in charging ports so you can charge things out of sight. This mirror is the way to go if you're looking for that extra storage space and a wow factor.
I highly recommend this mirror. There's nothing about it I don't absolutely love, and that's my point of view.